Hi, I'm Shauna Coleman, Principal of IGS, and I'm inviting you to be part of something very special on our Giving Day. This year we're focusing on two powerful initiatives. First, our Indigenous Scholarship Program, now in its third decade, proudly supporting 24 remarkable First Nations children and young people. This incredible program exemplifies our school's vision, unity through diversity, and its ongoing success depends on the generous support of our community, especially on Giving Day. Secondly, we are very excited about our Kindergarten Centre, a new teaching and learning wing that's part of our long-term vision to give our youngest children the very best start in their first year of school. This centre reinforces our broader commitment to securing, improving and expanding our campus.
Hi there, Paul Galea, letting you know about Giving Day on November 26. Two great causes, the Kindergarten Centre and the Indigenous Scholars Fund. We need you to be part of our village, part of our community, and that means you can contribute and get involved. Doesn't matter how small or big your donation, all we want is for you to be involved. So remember, November 26, Giving Day.
As we watch our students make their way through school each and every day, we're reminded that it takes a village to raise a child. And at IGS, that village is you, our school community. And each and every donation will really make a difference